So we're gonna how we do garage cabinets, what our standard is. So we've got, first off, we put all of these with the backside up, hinges facing up in the shop, so that now that we can install hinges. We bring our box of hinges over here and they sit on the cart, and we're gonna install the hinges on the door. We're gonna take this from here and we're gonna assemble it on the cabinet. We've already got all of our shelves and everything. We got our order there. And when we pull them off of here, we're gonna have the two end hinges are flipped up and the middle hinge is like this. So now Nate's gonna grab this and he's gonna install it. And when he comes over here to install this, he can rest it on his foot. By these two hinges being flipped up, they're not catching on the hinge plate, and we can move it around, and then he can now snap this one in the middle on and then go and snap the other two on, and we don't have any issue with it. So that's how we do garage doors. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna start on the next one and just repeat the process.